Hello, welcome back to Living Healthy with Cathy. Do you wake up tired even after sleeping all night? Do you feel exhausted before the day is even halfway over? If you constantly feel low energy, your body may be sending you an important warning sign. The good news is that you can rebuild your energy naturally with a few simple daily habits. In this video, I'll share powerful and natural ways to boost your energy levels and stop feeling tired all the time. Hydrate your body first thing in the morning. One of the most common causes of low energy is dehydration. When your body lacks water, your brain and muscles cannot function properly, making you feel weak and sluggish. Start your morning with 1 or 2 glasses of water. You can also add lemon for extra refreshment and detox support. This simple habit can instantly improve your energy levels. Eat foods that naturally boost energy. Your body's like a machine. It needs the right fuel to function properly. Energy-boosting foods include bananas, eggs, oats, nuts, avocados, leafy vegetables. These foods provide steady energy throughout the day. Avoid too much sugar and processed foods because they cause energy spikes followed by sudden crashes. Move your body daily. It may sound surprising, but exercise actually increases your energy. At this point, I know I am giving you value. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. When you move your body, your blood circulation improves and more oxygen reaches your brain and muscles. Even 15-20 minutes of walking, stretching, or light exercise can help you feel more active and alert. Your body was designed to move. Many people sleep for hours but still wake up tired. The problem is often poor sleep quality. To improve your sleep, go to bed at the same time every night. Avoid using your phone before sleeping. Keep your bedroom quiet and comfortable. Quality sleep helps your body repair, recharge, and rebuild energy, making you healthier and happier. Stress is a major energy drainer. When your mind is constantly worried or overwhelmed, your body becomes exhausted. Take time to relax through prayer, deep breathing, meditation, and taking short breaks during the day. Small daily habits can make a big difference in how energetic you feel every day. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs an energy boost today. And remember, a healthier body leads to a stronger, more energetic life. And don't forget to subscribe to Living Healthy with Cathy. See you in my next video where I will talk about another health topic you need to hear. Bye.